Okay, so here we are getting we are not setting any language, right? So let me close this one, also hide this one. I'm going to open this web browser where I'm saying that it's caching issue, but it's not the caching issue. Okay, now showing the no record found whenever we don't have any language. But if I will choose any of the language like en, it's loading its record. But I want to say here, don't display this no record found. I want to load the default English stuff. So how you can do this? So just close this one. Oops. Here, if we don't have any language, so don't pass it null, right? So just to grab the, if we don't have any code, if I go here and check that language code, here we can say that if we don't have any language, if we have language, so just get the language, otherwise set this as en English, right? So then this will always get a code of en when we don't have any language, and yes, it's loading in the English even we don't have any set any parameter. If you will pass this en, so there is nothing is going to change, right? So this is a way to handle the default stuff, right? You can still perform other operations same as identical, right? Everything is working fine, and let me go back with the Arabic, and Arabic is also working fine, right? So you can also move this logic into the controller stuff, right? Let me you can, if you for example, if someone enter here like A B C D, anybody can dance, enter this one, it says no record found. How it's doing that? Because it's finding the language. If it's didn't found the language, so it means that it's we don't need to handle this error, right? It's handling this out. So basically it says no record found. Okay, fine. Now we want to move this logic into the controller, so just create a new controller here, php artisan make controller. What would be the controller name? So controller name would be the translation controller maybe, or you can say that item controller, it's totally up to you, or home controller, because we are putting controller on the home page. So just open the home controller here. I'm going to open the public function, open home page. Okay, then we need to write your logic, all of the logic here. So let me copy all of the stuff from here. Okay, just paste everything here. Okay, just move this out, move this orientated a little bit. Okay, we need the request here, request. Okay, add the language at the top. This item should be also added at the top. Yeah, fine, I think it works fine. Now let's change this logic too. So add an array home controller, and then the next would be the open home page, right? What would be the name of my method? Open home page, like this. Save this one and get refresh. Home controller does not exist, so let me add the namespace at the top. So home controller, so this would be the added at the top now. So let's get refresh, and yes, it's working same. If I choose this English, working as English, Urdu, and yes, working as English, Urdu, and everything seems correctly, right? So now you don't need to, your view is improved here. This one is also done this, and everything is now optimized, right? So everything, I think our series is completed successfully, and let me know if you need anything else in this series, and if you think that this series added some value into your life, so share your feedback in the comment box, and also support me on my mission to shoot the premium courses free of cost. So share this channel with your friends, so in this way you can help me and others to learn it from this channel. So I will meet you in the next course. So thank you and bye bye.